I've wanted one of these for so long, and we got the biggest one they sell.
Oh, dang.
Holy shnikes.
Oh, man. You built anything out square with this, not the tooling.
We're 100% level though. Don't know how that worked out. First off, I want to tell you guys thank you for the last week. We've been putting cash in every orders and you guys came through. It was an awesome week for the 4th of July. We called it the Week of Freedom and it was awesome. Big thank you everybody that went to the website robbylayton.com and got entered. Not only are you getting entered to win the beautiful 72 Chevy truck, but you got cash in every order. You might have got $1. You might have got $100. We're going to let you guys know who the golden ticket winner is on Friday.
Dad, let's do it one more week.
Like cash in every order? You think so?
Yeah.
How much minimum should we put in every order?
1,000.
Okay. What she meant to say. We're going to extend this one more week as a big thank you to you guys, and every order is going to get a minimum of $2. That means $2 every single order, whether it's a mail-in entry, a quick entry, or a purchase on the website. We're going to do one more golden ticket, and we're going to extend this for one more week. So next Tuesday night, this offer is done. 30x entry on all accessories. Head to the website, robbylayton.com. Get yourself entered. For every $5 you spend on the website, you're getting entered to win a beautiful 72 and a chance at the golden ticket 2.0. We're announcing the first golden ticket winner on Friday, and we hope that you win. So head to the website right now. Cash in every order, $2 minimum. Those are 20s. Those aren't 2s.
No, Dad, this is 100.
Hopefully Adley packs your order. Head to the website right now, robbylayton.com. Get yourself entered to win the 72 Chevy or a chance at the golden ticket. You guys, today is delivery day, and inside this trailer we have the world's largest welding table, one-piece welding table, and we're going to be using it on special projects coming up. So let's get this thing unloaded. I can't wait to get inside and show you guys what Quantum Machinery has sent us. Thank you, Quantum Machinery, for taking care of us on this. I have wanted one of these welding tables for so long. We're gonna be able to build really cool projects, and we're gonna be able to jig up frames and everything else. You know who strong-armed me into buying it? Sean. It was Sean.
That shit.
Hey,
I think we need that.
I think we should unload all that. Jeez. I wish all that tubing was for me. Nope. Even better.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, there it is. This will lift the top box, hopefully, but not the bottom one. This is a 5,000-pound forklift. That's like 6,800 pounds dry weight. So, Hillbilly is gonna go grab the telehandler.
This bad boy is heavy. Where you going?
See if the telehandler finally started. I had to plug it in to get the block warming up and put a charger on it because the battery's dead. So let's hope that it's been plugged in long enough that it'll actually start, so we can bring it, come out and get that lifted off.
All right, we had to go get the telehandler so we can actually lift it. Oh. All right, I cannot wait to show you guys what we have in store for this piece of equipment. So Quantum Machinery hooked us up so good. 13 feet long, 6 feet wide welding table. I've wanted one of these for so long, and we got the biggest one they sell, but we can't get it inside because we have too much crap. So let's go clean. Out of the way. Let go.
Oh, dang. Oh, yeah. Smoky burnout.
I'll go grab that little pallet. So I'm gonna go grab the first pallet of all the parts for the table, and then we'll get the telehandler and we'll bring the actual table in. Oh yeah! You like that cold start? How we cold start our equipment.
In order to get the telehandler to start this morning, took 3 jump boxes and a battery charger on 12-volt start, and it still barely wanted to start. Plus, had the block heater plugged in too.
All right, we're off to the races. We got it lifted, and it is so cold, it took like 30 seconds of holding the lever to get it 2 inches off the ground. So we're gonna let this sit and idle for a minute. We'll come back out, and then we'll drive it in.
Okay, now turn a little bit. That way. All right, as you guys can see, we got so much room in here, so Robby's doing his best to maneuver around. We've got it in the crab walk. We're gonna get this thing in place. What do you think, Hillbilly? We got this?
Oh yeah.
You're like all certified.
Yeah, we're gonna get this in place for sure.
That's where you want it?
Yeah, you can come out and look at it.
All right, that was a feat. Rather than maneuvering this back out and then bringing it back in and moving all the vehicles,
No,
go turn those fans on high. Oh my gosh. Make sure the office door's shut.
It's shut.
And then kick those fans on and it'll kick it out.
what the heck? Look at this. The camera just went dark. It doesn't like the smoke.
Bang, pop, boom. This is like Christmas. All over it.
Sean hasn't stopped smiling.
But he's the one that stiff-armed me into buying it.
Exactly.
He's like, buy this table or I'm gonna quit. So I was like, you know what? Small price to pay. Buy the table. What daddy wants, daddy gets.
What I'm impressed about is how fast it got here.
I know. It got here in like 3 days.
Yeah.
Literally, it was so quick. Good thing my kids aren't here. If we got a box full of holy shnikes.
Oh man.
It's literally like cookies. Look at it. Sean, you're gonna have so much fun.
They
Oh,
send
you-
cleaner to clean.
Yeah, to clean the top and then like
Yeah.
it's like cast
That stuff's terrible to get out.
that stuff.
That cleaner, bro.
Oh, yeah,
makes it
yeah.
easy. Yeah.
Don't know what that is yet, but I like it. I like it a lot. We got an entire welding and clamping system with our table. It'll all make sense in a little bit. Just stay with us. Thank you, Quantum Machinery Group, for taking care of us on this.
Don't step on it.
Oh, and you could build yourself a little shack to go camping or something.
Oh, little camper.
Good wood.
They obviously knew that we needed a blue cart. So what this is this is a cart that's gonna hold all of the stuff in that box. So I'm gonna get some casters put on it and we'll start assembling all the stuff. It's such a big table. We're gonna have a car sitting on that. It's gonna be amazing. Can't wait. No washers. They don't believe in washers.
Well, I don't.
I'm pretty sure Siegmund, the maker of this table, is from Germany. That's such a big table. Like it out.
That is a work of art, is what that is.
What do you think, Sean?
Yeah. It's got all the little squares drawn on it.
Yeah.
So you can measure off of it. You built anything out square with this. Not the tooling.
No.
Wait, now let's load it.
Oh, there we go.
All right, where are we going? Right here on the ground. All right, I'm gonna put it over here. Load it up. Ooh, the adult with the sharp knife. Now, we gotta pull this all out and figure out how it goes on that board. Oh, that's heavy enough.
They come with a sticker though. That's how you know it's a stuffed knife. If it comes with a sticker.
Oh yeah, definitely better have knickers. One solid piece. So we went to the SEMA show, and honestly, the way the owner of this company and his sales guys treated me was solely the reason why we bought from them. I went to another table company that is all over the internet talking about how great he is and how wonderful. That guy was the biggest jerk I've ever met. Yeah. And his tables are multiple pieces, and he's on the internet dogging Quantum Machinery and I didn't like the way he treated me. And besides that, you can't go wrong with a German-made product. Hey, we went with Quantum, and they treated me very, very well.
Isn't this your second German-made product here?
Yeah.
Probably.
Isn't your air compressor German?
We all got measurements on.
I got the best they had. They got a mini crane to lift them.
Oh no. Oh, are these the legs? No.
No, these are upright.
These are upright. Oh, yeah.
It's literally like Christmas. Just unwrap it. Put the baby ones too. Have we found the legs yet? Yep, found the legs. Look, these are what I was telling you for round. Peg it.
Oh, you can put the round too. That's sweet.
All right, this is what we were trying to find right here. All the legs. There's 8 of them. But we can level it. So
Yeah. Big old feet on them.
Yeah.
You mean your floors in perfect?
Yeah, this is the most unperfect flooring on planet Earth.
Okay, I'm unwrapping all the clamps and all the uprights and tools and checking to see what we got.
Let's use the table as it's meant. We'll put brackets. We can put brackets and lift off the brackets.
Oh,
Duh. We'll do these, Tom. Let's do these down the sides.
yeah. Oh, yeah.
4 of them.
We have both of them.
Oh, this is German manufacturing. So we're trying to figure out how to lift off the pallet, and we've come up with an idea. We're using the side support and an angle bracket in 4 corners, pinning it with as many pins as we can, and we'll lift right there. I think it'll work. So what we're gonna do is we'll bring it up, we'll suspend it, we'll get the legs on it, and then we'll get it leveled. Wait. It held. That's a good sign. I think there's 4 logoed legs, and they go in the corners.
Oh, hey, look. Wow. Did you know you could follow Robby Layton on all social medias? Including the one you're thinking about right now. You dirty dog.
So far, it's going good. Everything lines up right, and it just slides.
Can you imagine the first one they built was probably hand drilled?
Oh, yeah. People do that. With a mag drill. 6 more legs to go. So we're on our last leg, and we're gonna set it down and get it leveled. Luckily, the Germans thought it out, and you can get a wobble extension down in there to your bolts. So there you have it, folks. All done. I think we should have them bottomed out, Hillbilly, but I think we should have like an inch on each
That's
one.
what it is right now, isn't it?
Okay, perfect.
Inch and 3/4. Inch and 3/4. Inch and 3/4.
Inch and 3/4.
We're all inch and 3/4.
Yep. Everybody, where do you want it, Sean? Which side of the line?
I think if you stay just inside the line, that square is going to be the levelest to itself.
Yeah, but we definitely don't want to be on the line because it's heaved.
Right.
So we got to choose a side.
Yeah. I think it's a good.
Everybody just needs to push, and I'll set it down.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Now? Yeah. It's level.
Yeah.
That one looks level too.
Yeah.
That's perfectly.
As long as all the feet are tight. That's what we gotta check.
They got jam nuts on them?
Yeah. Okay. So we're dead nuts. Well, yeah. Of course it's going to be level.
That table doesn't flex.
Well, I mean, if the 4 corners are level, so then, yeah, we'll just get the feet. We're 100% level, though. Don't know how that worked out. Cool. But we do need to get a little bit of down pressure on those legs, so when we load it, it's all... wrench them to where it's just snug.
Yeah, because they're flat spotted.
Put a little bit of pressure on them. And
Yeah, we need 2 wrenches.
You'll probably drill that fence.
Okay, we looked it up on my phone on how the tool cart looks with the tools on it. So we're not trying to guess where things go, we know where things go.
Well, I was going to clean my table. That's frozen. The anti-spatter is not, so that must have alcohol in it, but we're gonna go ahead and let that heat up. How many more do we have?
A lot.
All right, we got it all leveled out, put together. We have the board holding all the fixtures and tools. I'm excited to get to use this. We just need to clean the top off and get a car on it. But thank you, Quantum Machinery. You guys took care of us on this. The Siegmund 6x13 table is gonna be a game changer for us. We're gonna be able to do very precise work. Sean's excited, so I'm excited about that. Now that we have the new welding table, we're gonna need 25 more years out of Sean.
But you can have this.
So Sean's gifting me this table so I can clutter it up. That one will stay good and clean and nice. Anyway, check this out. We have an off-road flag now. This is for the off-road games.